Have you been searching for a brand new home, perfect for the way you live? Hi, I'm Jackie, and I'd like to show you around the Villas at Gun Creek, a new Ryan Homes community on Grand Island. This neighborhood of 3-bedroom villas offers the convenience of first-floor owner suites and the luxury features you'd expect, like upgraded kitchen cabinets, granite countertops, and hard surface flooring. Your new home will have plenty of space with over 1,700 square feet, a 2-car garage. If you even want more room, you have the option to finish the basement. Your gourmet kitchen will be the center of activity with a breakfast bar that opens right into the dining room area and great room. Located just off of I-190, Gun Creek on Grand Island provides easy access to recreation, shopping, and everyday conveniences. Commuting to downtown Buffalo is a breeze. And there's so much to do right here on the island. If golfing or boating is your passion, you're 2 miles from River Oaks Golf Club and Marina along the Niagara River. Plus, you'll be just minutes from Grand Island's 2 state parks, Beaver Island and Buckhorn. They offer fishing, biking, cross-country skiing, and more. Be sure to check out local favorite restaurants like the Village Inn and Dick and Jenny's, just minutes away from the community. At the Villas at Gun Creek, you'll enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a 10-year structural warranty. Your brand new home won't need repairs or renovations like older homes do. Plus, yard work and snow removal will all be taken care of for you so you can retire your shovel and mower. So, are you ready to live an easier life? You've earned it. Call us to set up an appointment. We can't wait to see you.